Hi, welcome to Spencer Colgan's Wallpaper, and we're coming to you from the beautiful sunny Tampa. And what you're seeing behind me is this beautiful print by Graham and Brown. Okay, how do you like that? And this particular pattern is called Wildflower Stripe Blush Pink. If you want to order it, there it is. And this is a random match, which means you just butt one end up against the other. There's very little waste, if any. And there you have it. I recommend, if you buy this wallpaper, that you use clear strippable paste. We're using Romans 880, and I recommend that you water it down 10 to 15% because the wallpaper is pretty stubborn when it absorbs the moisture out of the glue, and it gets very hard to move the paper. And so if you just add a little water, you'll have more time to work with the paper. It doesn't compromise the adhesion. Again, this is Spencer Colgan's Wallpaper, and we are shooting from Tampa, Florida with this beautiful Graham and Brown wallpaper installation. Hope you like it. If you like the video, click on like, subscribe to our channel, and we might be painting these doors a complementary color because the homeowner doesn't like the wood finish. So if we do that, we'll be coming to you also with that paint job. Thanks for watching. Click on like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.